So the idea of software as a service going away is an interesting one. I think what I'm focused on is recurring revenue businesses. It seems like as soon as, SaaS for the first 25 years of it being around has really been a database, right? And now that it has AI, software can actually be a service to your business. And we're stripping that of its title and we're calling it an agent now. So I don't care what you call it. It's software. It's a recurring revenue business. I do think the business model will change. We're seeing a lot because the cost of AI and searches is much more expensive than traditional software as a service. And so, you will see more usage based pricing on software moving forward as AI gets integrated into the platforms. We're moving to more of like a not a no click environment, but a low click environment where a lot of searches are people are getting the answers they're looking for, and thus they're not clicking on a result in order to get more. And LLMs have been incredibly interesting. The research that we've done so far has indicated in enterprise software, there are a couple of key contributors to getting visibility in the results of the LLMs, and then also in terms of providing sentiment about how the market feels about your product. I think we're moving from a world where Google had us very focused on our own site content, driving in traffic, developing content for the search, not for the search engines, for the users, but that would drive traffic for the search from the search engines, to a world where the LLMs are looking at user generated content about you on Reddit, G2 Crowd, and others. They're looking at your site content, and then they're looking at industry publications like Gartner and Forrester and TechTarget, CIO.com, and they're building they're looking at all of that in order to deliver results about what your product is. So we're truly moving to this world of SEO or AI optimization where your brand is what people say about you when you're not in the room. You don't have full control over what's showing up in the search results anymore. You never did, but you know what I mean? Like, we're not controlling the message. The LLMs are compiling the message and delivering a result. And so that's going to be a big shift in SEO. I personally think it's exciting. And we're seeing the cost of data go down, right? The data augmentation providers are that cost consistently goes down. And so I think the how smart your database is and how you can leverage that data to drive personalized campaigns is going to be really interesting. I'm a big fan of clay.com. And there are a lot, it feels like I'm learning about a new tool every week that's going to allow us to have even better context of who our customers are. So those are the three big things for me right now that are happening in the industry.